I physically type also very fast, so I think that kind of also helps. So that, and I think I would say, being able to see the end of the book much before. Like earlier, it was not easy for me to see the end of the book, and I would have a vague idea of how it's going to end. If it's a romance, it's obviously going to be a happily ever after sort of thing.
Yeah.
But you have to reach that point. You have to create the conflict, a believable conflict, and then you have to make sure that reasons for that conflict are explained, and then that conflict goes away, and then the protagonists can finally be united or whatever. And I think, so for me, earlier this used to be a problem in that it used to take me a lot of time to figure that out.
Okay.
It would be, I would go around in circles. But now I feel it's faster. I kind of have an idea of how to make things happen, and what to do.